Samantha Matthews, a young woman in her late 20s, sits at a corner bench, her eyes swollen from crying. She is regretting, because she cheated on her boyfriend Jackson Lee, her boyfriend of 3 years.
Samantha.
What's wrong, Jackson? What happened?
We need to talk. Can you please come near me? Samantha, do you know you broke my heart? I trusted you, loved you, and now I can't believe what I've heard.
What are you talking about? I would never hurt you intentionally.
I found out about your cheating on me with Paul. That rich guy, you know what I'm talking.
Jackson, it's true. I made a terrible mistake. I don't know what came over me. I never meant to hurt you. I'm so sorry.
Jackson's expression is a mix of anger, sadness, and betrayal.
How could you, Samantha? We had plans, dreams together. I thought we were building something beautiful.
I know, Jackson, and I'll regret it for the rest of my life. Paul meant nothing to me. It was a moment of weakness, and I hate myself for it.
I don't know if I can ever trust you again, Samantha. Our relationship was built on honesty and love, and you shattered that trust.
Please, Jackson, I'll do anything to make it right. I love you so much, and losing you has shown me the depth of my mistake.
I need time, Samantha. Time to heal, time to decide if forgiveness is even possible.
I understand, Jackson. I'll give you all the time you need. Just know that I'll always be here, hoping for a chance to prove myself worthy of your love again.
Okay, I'll forgive you, but please don't hurt me again.